Hi, my name is Anna Dolcher. My school year was very challenging because of an unexpected incident. Since my parents had passed away, my grandpa was always there for me. He is my hero, provider, defender, and inspiration. He was so proud that I'd decided to go back to school at Anderson. Suddenly, during my school year, he was diagnosed with lung cancer. With the support of my employer at the time, and the Anderson instructors and staff, I was able to change my schedule so that I could spend every day in the hospital with him and study at night. But he was deteriorating, and I felt lost. My grandpa would talk to me every day, helping me to be ready for whatever would happen to him. He always assured me that I could fly, as he had already provided me with the wings. Everything that I have become, I owe to my grandpa. I couldn't imagine my life without him. After 3 months, he found rest, and I relied on my faith and courage to go on. To read my full story, please go to www.andersoncollege.com/my2020.